I've been in the hardware business for almost 15 years now, running a store that I inherited from my late father in downtown Kingston. The business has been through some rough patches, especially with Jamaica's economic ups and downs, but it keeps food on the table and sends the kids to school, and life is good. For the past couple of years, one particular customer, Mr. Johnson, has stood out from everybody else. This man buys a whole heap of things: cement, steel, lumber, tile, everything, you name it. At first, he would drop by every few months, but now he's a regular, and his purchases have been a lifeline for my business. Over time, we've built a bit of a rapport, even talking about family life and our hopes for the future. I respect him as a businessman and value his patronage more than he could ever know. One evening, I come home from a long day at the store and I sent something off with my wife Sheila. At first, I chalk it up to stress or fatigue. She had deal with the kids them. But our distance only continued to grow over the following weeks, and no matter how I asked her what was wrong or what could I do to help her improve our mood, she became guarded, always on her phone, and she started get short with me whenever I try to be affectionate with her. I try not to jump to any conclusions, because I trust her and our marriage, but I start get more and more uneasy. One day, I got a last minute order from a business place in Limstead, and I closed the store to deliver it myself because the delivery guy was out. I was pulling into the plaza to make the delivery when I swear I hear Sheila laughter. I look around, I'ma see her across the street walking out of a restaurant. So, I wonder when she do instead. I'ma realize as she and my customer, Mr. Johnson, walking out of the restaurant. And they were obviously together. Their aura playful and free, the epitome of happy lovers. My heart want jump out of my chest as she was getting into his car and them drive off together. I was torn between disbelief and rage, confusion, shock. But I kept my composure because I was hoping it was just an apparition, maybe somebody would look just like she. My mind all go blank. I couldn't think straight. A part of me wanted to chase the car in and make it look like the front of a greater, but another part of me was too scared to make the apparition real. Anyway, I wrap up my business and I decided to take the scenic route to one because me did confused. I don't know what going on. I got in late that night and Sheila didn't even call me as she usually would to see where I was and when me I do her if me no leave no way. When I walk in the house, she was sitting on the couch, caught up in her phone. I asked her how her day was and me get her dry. Alright. I asked if she went out today and she said she go look for one of her friend them. Friend. I didn't say anything but you see inside, my anger, my confusion, a boil like manish water. I want country dead yard. Over the next few days, I try come up with a strategy. I try figure out what probably did I go on, how this happen, while feigning normalcy. But I couldn't get the images of her and Mr. Johnson out of my head. It's like them a haunt me. On Thursday, her normal supermarket day, but decided to say, yo, metal follow her. She said she at the supermarket, but she end up at one hotel and Mr. Johnson that outside I wait pan her. I said the truth lit me for 6. My most important customer and my wife were having a full-fledged affair. The whole world dropped boof on my foot. Everything just imploded around me. I didn't know what to do. Should I walk up to them and confront them? But this man is not just any customer, He is the person who has been keeping my business afloat. And if I just confront him, so I could all losing business. And that would be a huge financial blow. But I don't even know if I can continue to do business with him because the man obviously asleep with my wife. But I decided to take a couple of days and think about it. But no matter how I try, I couldn't come up with no kind of way out. I feel trapped. but never want to lose my business. And it's like me needing money, but I couldn't stand the thought of what was going on, man. So I confront Sheila and she deny. But tell her, I said, all right, cool. You know, so the man married and he has several mistresses, including some girl where I put through university. Her face drop. She look shell-shocked. I have the nerve to say, but he said he was separated and he would marry me once our divorces were finalized. Oh, our divorces were finalized, so you'd have planned for left me for him. But that's still I say, yo, the man wife pregnant, you know. I'm sure the invitation upon my phone when they give me for come to the baby shower. She broke down crying and started apologizing profusely, saying it was a big mistake. But baby girl, the damage has been done. Now me have to make a choice that I can't figure out which direction to turn. Should I confront this man and risk losing the business that sustained me and my family and is my father's legacy? Or should I walk away from this marriage knowing that staying would mean I'm living with this betrayal forever? What me to do?